The FIFA World Cup 2026 has started right now, and this is the best opportunity for every creator to make thousands of dollars during this World Cup, because FIFA is officially selected YouTube as its preferred platform for 2026 World Cup. Host broadcasters will have the option of live streaming the first 10 minutes of every match on their YouTube channel. Now, there are very high chances that grow your channel fast is fast, because the millions of peoples are just waiting this mountain on YouTube. So, don't miss this opportunity, because the next FIFA World Cup is after 4 years. So, this is the best time. Now let me show you how to actually do it, how to actually take the most out of this opportunity. There are basically 4 things you need to understand. If you understand these 4 things, you will save your channel about, reuse content, and copyright strikes. So, what's why I will create a 4-step formula just for you. Follow the step by step. Step 1. Figure out your sub-niche. The first thing you need to understand is that you can't just make random football videos and expect to grow. You need to choose a specific sub-niche. For example, football news and transfers, match highlights and analysis, funny football moments, football reactions, player stories and documentaries, football facts and mysteries, crazy football incidents, football predictions and opinions. Choose something that you genuinely enjoy creating. Once you pick your format, stick with it and improve it over time. Don't just copy your competitors. Study what they are doing and then make your content better. The goal is simple. Find a format, stay consistent, and become better than the channels you're competing with. Step 2. Get viral video ideas. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest problems most creators face. They don't know what videos to make. Luckily, there is a very simple trick. Create a separate social media account that follows nothing except football content. Follow football creators on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and any other platform where football content is trending. Now, every time you open these apps, your feed will be filled with football content only. This is powerful because you instantly see what topics are trending, what players people are talking about. Instead of spending hours searching for ideas manually, the algorithms will deliver ideas directly to you. In other words, the algorithm becomes your personal idea machine. This gives you a huge advantage because speed matters. The faster you spot a trend and create content around it, the higher your chances of going viral. Now, step 3, write viral scripts. This is where most people fail. A good idea can still flop if the script is boring. The easiest way to write a viral script is to start with a strong hook. Usually, this is a question that people genuinely want answered. For example, why did this football player disappear from the spotlight? Or, how did this unknown player become one of the biggest stars in football? The question creates curiosity. But here's the important part. Sometimes viewers think they already know the answer. That's why after your first hook, you need a second hook that makes them realize there is more to the story. Give them a reason to stay until the end. Then, in the middle of the video, get straight to the point. Don't waste time. Don't add unnecessary information. Every sentence should move the story forward. Keep the pacing fast. Keep the audience curious. And finally, at the end of the video, answer the question you asked at the beginning. Give viewers the payoff they were waiting for. This simple structure works. Hook to curiosity, to story, to payoff. Of course, there are many advanced techniques that professional creators use, but if you master this basic structure first, your videos will instantly become more engaging. Step 4. Editing. Many beginners think they need expensive software, a powerful laptop, or advanced editing skills to go viral. That's simply not true. You only need to learn the basics. Focus on keyframes, B-roll footage, zoom effects, layer adjustments, sound effects, and text animations. These simple techniques are enough to make your videos look professional. And the best part? You don't even need a computer. You can edit directly on your phone using apps like CapCut, InShot, and VN Editor. These apps are more than powerful enough for short-form content and even long-form YouTube videos. Remember, good editing doesn't mean adding hundreds of effects. Good editing means keeping viewers interested and making the video easy to watch. So, if you follow these 4 steps consistently: 1. Choose a clear football sub-niche. 2. Use social media algorithms to find viral ideas. 3. Write scripts that keep people curious. 4. learn basic editing, and improve over time. So this is the perfect moment to start in football niche channel. So follow this formula and stay consistent. That's it. See you in the next one.